This video is for week ending 11/29/2019. This is the video for the weekly ETF holdings for that week ending, like I said, 11/29/2019. The values are listed to the right of the ETF ticker or symbol, and these are the portfolio values, or at least the portfolio weighting that they should have in your portfolio. These do not need to be exact. There is no reason to buy and sell portions of your portfolio to get these perfectly exact. So I'll go over these ETFs for week ending 11/29/2019. VTV, and these are in no particular order. VTV is a 12.5% portfolio weighting. This is the value S&P 500. These are the value stocks in the S&P 500 only. This is that ETF. RSP is a 25% holding or weighting for your portfolio. This is the equal weighted ETF, the equal weighted S&P 500 ETF. EFV is a 12.5% portfolio weighting. This is developed market value, excluding US and Canada. VEA is a 12.5% portfolio weighting, and this is the ETF for developed markets, excluding US and Canada. Remember, EFV is the value ETF, and VEA is just the regular developed market, excluding US Canada ETF. QTEC is 12.5% portfolio weighting. That is the NASDAQ 100 technology stocks only. WIZ is a 12.5% portfolio weighting, and this is the Bull Rider Bear Fighter Index. This is the ETF that tracks that index. And MTUM is a 12.5% portfolio weighting. This is the US Momentum ETF. And like I said at the start, do not worry about having the exact values, having the exact portfolio weightings in your portfolio. The goal is to have these ETFs outperform the S&P 500 and to be in the ballpark, and that, these should outperform the S&P 500, and the goal is just to be in the ballpark. If you do have an ETF that it has taken off, and there could be 2 or 3 of them, that's a good thing if they're a higher percentage, because that means that they have been outperforming extremely well. And there is no reason to buy and sell to get these portfolio weightings exactly. So that's it for week ending 11/29/2019. Hope everyone has a great week.